Chase Sapphire Preferred pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is one of the most popular travel rewards credit cards, but understanding its costs and benefits is key to maximizing value. The card carries an annual fee of, which many people get wrong, they think it's too high. The surprising truth is that the rewards and perks can easily offset this cost if used strategically. Cardholders earn X points on travel and dining and X on all other purchases. You won't believe how quickly points can add up, especially when used through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, where points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel. New users can also enjoy a welcome bonus of 0 points after spending 0 in the first 3 months, equating to in travel when redeemed through Ultimate Rewards. Other perks include trip cancellation insurance, primary rental car insurance, and purchase protection, all of which add real value beyond just points. In conclusion, Chase Sapphire Preferred pricing is straightforward with an annual fee, but the card delivers significant rewards and protections that make it worth considering. By using its points strategically and leveraging travel benefits, cardholders can turn that annual fee into a powerful tool for savings and travel experiences.